Airlines Delta. Pleasure to be the first one to welcome you to Zurich International Airport, Switzerland, where the local time is approximately 20 minutes past 9 in the morning. For your comfort and safety, please stay on your seat until the airplane completely stops the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins and getting personal belongings. If you need information about connecting flights, ground transportation, the baggage claim Delta agents, meaning this flight will assist you. Thank you for choosing Delta Airlines and our culture partners on this flight, and as you continue to travel by car or plane, we remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened. We'll look forward to opportunities to serve you again. Thank you, have a nice day, and a wonderful holiday season.
Meine Damen und Herren, es ist Nummer 13 in Zurich. Herzlich willkommen zu einem Airlines ungefähr 9:22 Uhr. Bitte bleiben Sie angeschlossen, denn was wir an der Start ist, wir unser Endgültiger Transmission erreicht haben.